IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Are there many birds where you live? Band 5. Answer.
Yes, there are many birds where I live. I often see birds in the morning, and they make noise. Some birds are on trees near my house.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Short, basic ideas with little development. Lexical resource. Very limited vocabulary. Frequent repetition of birds. Grammar. Mostly simple sentences. Limited range. Pronunciation. Generally clear but flat and basic. Typical of a Band 5. Simple ideas. Minimal detail. Safe but dull. Band 7.5 Answer.
Yes, there are quite a lot of birds where I live, especially in the early mornings. I often hear them singing, and I regularly spot birds like pigeons and sparrows around my neighborhood.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth flow with logical expansion. Lexical resource. Good range with natural collocations like quote, early mornings. Grammar. Mix of simple and complex structures used accurately. Pronunciation. Clear, natural stress and intonation. Typical of a Band 7.5. Confident, natural, and comfortably descriptive. Band 9 Answer.
Yes, definitely. I live in an area with plenty of trees, so birds are everywhere. In the mornings, their calls create a really lively atmosphere, and it's quite relaxing to watch them flying around or nesting nearby.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless flow with well-linked ideas. Lexical resource. Precise, vivid language like lively atmosphere. Grammar. Wide range of structures used flexibly and accurately. Pronunciation. Natural rhythm, stress, and intonation throughout. Typical of a Band 9. Rich detail, strong imagery, zero strain for the listener. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.